Here we go, the baby's at 9 weeks old. Yes. There's Jen, and there's Ziva. There's Jen. Easy, bud. If you're gonna grab me, easy. Hey, Bear. There's Bear. And then, of course, Ziva jumping all over me. And Ember. Hello, Ember. Hello, Ember. Come here, Ember. I'm trying to get you, baby. Jen's jumping in the way, though. You guys play with those toys. Bear got a nice little toy there. Uh-oh. Looks like Jen's taking it away from him. Oops. Bear, get that. There's other toys. There's other toys, Jen. There's other toys. Yeah, they're all over the place. Toys everywhere in there. There's toys everywhere in there. You just like that soft rope toy over there, huh? We don't like to get too many of those. Oh, easy there, bud. Just run Bear over. Like he's nothing with your giant legs. Everybody gonna hide in that corner over there behind Mama. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that rope toy. I'm gonna get that rope toy, Jen. Got Ziva grabbing it now. Puppy pile up. You guys are getting so big. Big and fluffy. Little fluff balls. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Look at you. Easy. Easy, Jen. Now Bear's gonna ragdoll it. Uh-oh. Ember got Bear down. Hey, Jen. Well, you didn't need to fall over. Hey, Ziva. Hey, Ziva and Jen. Why do you do that, Jen? You, like, flop over on them every time. Come here, Ziva. Come here, Ziva. Come here, baby. Before Jen comes over, you know he's going to jump over, get in the way. What are you doing, Bear? Ember, run! Run, little Ember! Jen, I can't get anybody else in the video. You jump over everyone. You jump over everyone. You're already the biggest. You're already the biggest. We can't get anybody else because you jump over them all. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, come here, Ziva. Yes, yes, my little Ziva girl. My little Ziva. And there's Jen. Oh, Ziva, hey, Ember. Come here, Ember. My little Ember. Oh, no, there's Jen. He's got to jump over in front of everyone. Yeah. Ember. Little Ember. Little Ziva. Bear. It's nearly impossible with Jen in there to get anybody else. Yeah, nearly impossible to get anybody else with Jen in the video. I can't see you because Gracie's in the way now. Here, get down, Gracie. Ziva! Ziva the loud! Ziva the loud! Jen. But, let other people. Let me get attention to other people. Hey, Bear! Hey, Bear! Hey, Bear! Hey, Ziva! Or no, that's Ember. We got Ziva behind you, though. Can't get anybody else. Hey, Ember! Come on, Ember! Before Jen! little Ember. I'm gonna have to like pick you up and hold you or remove you, Jen. Yep. Yep. You just take over everybody's. Every time I try to get anyone else's attention, like a little Ember, there you are. And Ziva's barking at us nonstop. What an attention hog. What an attention hog. Yes, he is. I know, Ember. You can't get any attention. You got this big old puppy jumping on you. This big old giant. This big old giant jumping on you. Yeah, I know. Almost the size of Mama. That's how big he is. Almost the size of Mama. Look at him. He's a big old boy. Hey Bear. Hey Bear. Come here, buddy. I know. Puppy pile up. Puppy pile up. All right, guys. Definitely louder and bigger at 9 weeks old. I only got another video or so, and then you guys are going to be gone. So we got to enjoy these moments, even though it's 90% Jen. It's 90% Jen. Oh, yes, it is, Ziva. Yes, it is, little Ember. Yes, hurry up before Jen comes. There he is. There he is. Yes, babies. Yes, babies. My little girls. My little girls. Oh, there they are. Ziva and Ember. Yes. Look, he's focused on a toy right now. Hey, Bear, my bud. Yes. Get Bear in the video for 2 seconds. Come here, buddy. Come here, Bear. Come here. I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying. It's hard. It's hard. Yes. Alrighty, guys.